Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Find the values of x and y given these two equations. And two equations are given. These are linear equations, linear equations with two variables. So we'll have to solve this simultaneously. So let's use elimination method. Now look at equation 1 and equation 2's coefficients. This is 9 by 4, this is 18 by 5. Now in order for x's coefficient to be equal, we'll have to multiply first equation with 4 into 6, 24. So multiplying equation 1 by 24, we get 24 into 4, 9 by 4x plus 24 into 25 by 2 y equal to minus 19 by 4 into 24. So that is 4 6 are 6 9s are 54x plus 2 12s are 12 5s are 60, 12 2s are 24 plus 6 is 30, 300y equal to 4 6 are, and this is minus 114. So this is equation A. Now multiplying second equation with 5 3s are 15. So let's see. Multiply equation 2 by 15. So that gives us 15 into 18 by 5x minus 15 by 3 into y equal to 12 by 5 into 15. There has to be a 15 here. So 5 3s are 18 3s are is 54x. This is minus. So 3 5s are 15. 15 5s are 75. So minus 75 y equal to 5 3s are 12 3s are 36. This is equation B. Now what we can do, subtract by subtracting B from A, we get 54x minus 54x plus 300y minus of minus 75y equal to minus 114 minus 36. So that gives us, this is 0. 300y plus minus of minus is plus 75. So this is 375y equal to 6 plus 4 is 10, 0, 3 plus 2 is 5, this is 150, so we get y equal to minus 150 by 375, which is equal to, let's divide both by 25, so 25 6 are 150 and 25 ones are 25, 12 remains 125, 25 5s are 125. So this is minus 6 by 15, which is when we divide both by 3, we get minus 2 by 5. So we get y equal to minus 2 by 5. Putting this value in equation, let's see. Let's put it in equation 1, 9 by 4x plus 25 by 2y equal to minus 19 by 4. Putting this value in 1, we get 9 by 4x plus 25 by 2y equal to minus 19 by 4. So we get 9 by 4x plus 25 by 2 into minus 2 by 5 equal to minus 19 by 4. 5, 5s are 25, 2 1s are, so this is minus 5. So we get 9 by 4x minus 5 equal to minus 19 by 4. Taking this 5 over to that side, we get 9 by 4x equal to 5 minus 19 by 4, which is equal to 5 4s are 20 minus 19 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 4. So we get x equal to 4 by 9 into 1 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 9. So we get x equal to 1 by 9. So we have got the values x equal to 1 by 9 and y equal to minus 2 by 5. Let's look at the given options. Yes, answer is option D.